Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 156. Dear Mr. Scott, for some time past I have been unable to write to you as I have desired and as I promised you when you were here. I hope you will not be annoyed at my apparent neglect. You should not be, and I am sure you will not be when you are aware of the reason for my silence. I have no doubt you will remember that I was not well previous to your visit, but I am sorry to tell you I have, under the care of Dr. Brown, ever since the day you left. Indeed, you were not gone an hour when I had to send for the physician. I do not know what was the cause of my illness. I cannot say that I am aware of anything to which it may be due. I know of nothing to which it can be traced. At all events, it has been very severe, and for some time my recovery was considered hopeless. Of course, I am not yet out of the wood, and I must not boast, but I think I am fairly on the road to complete recovery. You will be sorry to learn that I am not yet strong enough to leave my room, but you must not suppose that I am in danger. I trust I shall be able to make an effort to visit you sometime during the coming month. At any rate, I am hoping so. I must leave off for the present, but will write again very soon. Very truly yours, Thomas McCain. Full stop.